Rinpoche. Now, a question about building a retreat house.
Evet.
When we build a house, there's generally a lot of neat things to do. For example, digging,
Yes.
a hole, and so on. This surely disturbs the spirits, right? And so forth. In general, what recommendations are there regarding rituals that need to be done before construction
Yes.
to ensure a good outcome?
Yes, in the Tibetan tradition, there are many strict rules and warnings about this. The earth is not seen as dead matter, it is alive and inhabited by myriads of invisible beings. In particular, there is a special type of astrological calculation related to the earth element in geomancy called Sache. These calculations make it possible to determine the so called pure direction, the cardinal direction where, in the current year, the most formidable and sensitive local guardians, the Sabdags, reside. Sabdags are not just spirits, they're the caretakers of space. The chief among them changes position depending on the cycles of time, the year, the month, and even the day. Digging the earth, starting construction of a foundation, or altering the landscape in the pure direction is considered most favorable, as this minimizes the risk of direct confrontation with their energy. For example, this year, the safest direction is the southwest. The local guardians are present everywhere, and it is impossible to completely avoid contact with them. Whenever we carry out any kind of earthwork, whether it's large scale excavation or simply digging up a garden bed, we inevitably intrude on their personal space and cause them harm. Ancient texts use very vivid metaphors to describe this connection. For the deities and demons of the eight classes, the earth is their living flesh, stones are their bones, vegetation and trees are their hair, and underground waters and bodies of water are like their blood. Imagine someone starting to dig into your skin and break your bones. That is exactly how the Sabdagas perceive a crude human intrusion. To avoid angering them and provoking a response in the form of personal misfortunes or natural disasters, such as lightning strikes, sudden floods, fires, or hurricanes, special rituals are performed. One of the key methods is the offering a circum, a golden drink. This is a ritual in which a lama or practitioner offers a purified drink, traditionally tea or wine with special ingredients added, visualizing it as the nectar of wisdom. It is also considered extremely important to bury 5 precious substances in special consecrated vessels, bumpa, in the ground. Such offerings include precious metals, stones, medicinal herbs, and grains. This can be compared to buying out the land. We give the local spirits what they want, and in return, they allow us to successfully complete the planned construction.